Good morning, guys. I am down here in central Ohio at the Mad River, and this will be my second time fly fishing this river, but the first time doing it when I actually know what I'm doing. I'm going to be out here all day. It's Friday, the 15th, May 15th. I'm going to be out here fishing all day. I took the day off work, so we're going to see if we can catch ourselves some trout today. This is a nice spot right here. I think I'm going to go down here, cast a little bit, see if I can catch anything. It's a nice deep pool right there. I don't see anything yet, but we're gonna give it a shot. I'm really excited to get out here on the water. I hooked on the ground. Oh, what'd I get? What'd I get here? Let me get my net here. Oh, no! Where'd you go? I lost him. Dang. Man. I got another one. What did we get here? What are we catching here? Oh, shoot. Well, I have no idea what this is, but it's not a trout, that's for sure. But, I mean, this is a gorgeous spot right here. Absolutely gorgeous. This is one reason why I want to come down here, this clear water. Well, no trout here, but I did catch about 6 of these small fish. I have no idea what they are, but they like my nymph. I'm using a beadhead nymph, and every time I cast, they bite onto this thing. I don't know what it is. I'll see if I can find it, but talk about beautiful water, though. Man, look at that, just gorgeous. All right, well, I've been here for about an hour and a half, and I think I'm gonna move down to the next spot and see if I can catch anything there. I'm also getting hungry, so I'll probably go make lunch and then probably fish some more. My feet are a little cold. I'm wet wading with my chacos, and this water is pretty darn cold. But once you get in and you get used to it, it's not bad. But it's an absolutely gorgeous, well, afternoon here now. It's almost noon. I've been out here, but I guess it's almost been 2 hours actually when I got here. It's crazy how fast time goes when I'm fishing. No luck with catching trout, but that's okay. I mean, I kind of did what I set out to do and just come out here, fish. The wildlife is really active. The water is really clear, and it's a good height. It's not, or depth. It's not, super high. So I'm able to actually get out here in the middle of the river and fly fish. Still not great at it, but I'm learning as I go, and hopefully I can try to find some spots to cast at the river at the next spot. But this is just having an absolute blast out here. Even though it's difficult, it's still an absolute blast to come out here and fish. Birds are really active. It's about 65 degrees and overcast, so not really bad weather today. I'm really happy I came out here. All right, I'm here at my next spot, and gonna fish here for just a couple more minutes. I'm gonna make some lunch, but I wanted my feet to warm up a little bit because they were cold. So I'm just kind of here by this little sandbar, and I'm gonna fish for probably 10 more minutes, and I'm gonna make some lunch, make some coffee, and then probably get back into the water. I had just talked to a guy, so he's been here for a couple hours, hasn't caught anything yet, but who knows, maybe we'll get lucky, I don't know. But I know I'm getting hungry, and I am getting thirsty for some coffee. So beautiful spot though here though. Look how gorgeous this water is. This is amazing. Who knew that you could find water like this in Ohio? We're making a little sandwich here. Got some sauerkraut, got some pastrami, some ham, and some gray poupon, and about to make a delicious sandwich. Trying to do this one-handed is a little hard. I like this spot a lot right here. All right, this is about as far as I'm gonna go up this river, and then I'm gonna start heading back to the car because it's almost 3 o'clock. This looks promising over here, so we're gonna give it a shot. Pretty deep right here, nice pool. Nice. See what we can do over here, and then probably call it a day here. I might head to that pond I was talking about. Man, this looks like a great pool for a trout to hang out. Man, I don't want to leave this. I'm just having too much fun. It's gorgeous right here. If you guys got any tips for catching trout, let me know, because so far I really haven't even seen any, to be honest with you. But the guy I was just talking to, another fisherman, he said he caught one so far today. This is a really gorgeous spot right here.